In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore and navigate the Whop platform to access a variety of courses. Whether you're looking for free or premium content, this guide will help you understand how to download and purchase courses that suit your learning needs. First off, let's open Whop. Once you have the platform up and running, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Marketplace section. Think of the Marketplace as your gateway to a treasure trove of educational content. Browsing through, you'll immediately notice a diverse array of courses on offer. From academic subjects to skill-based tutorials, the options are plentiful and cater to a wide range of interests. As you peruse the list, you'll see that some courses are available for free. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore new topics without any financial commitment. Simply find a course that piques your interest and you're good to go. The process to access these free courses is straightforward. Just click on the download button. Within moments, the course material is ready for you to dive into at no cost whatsoever. However, if you're on the hunt for more comprehensive or specialized learning experiences, you might consider exploring the premium courses. These are typically designed to offer deeper insights or cover topics in greater detail, going beyond the foundational content you might find in free courses. To access these valuable resources, a purchase is necessary. The purchase process is secure and designed to be hassle-free, ensuring you have a seamless transition from browsing to learning. Once you've made your purchase, the course is available for download immediately. This means you can start learning right away without waiting time, allowing you to delve deeply into your chosen area of interest with all the resources you need at your fingertips. Remember, investing in a course is essentially investing in yourself. It opens doors to new skills and knowledge that can propel personal and professional growth. So if you spot a course that aligns with your goals, it might just be worth that extra consideration. By leveraging both free and paid content on Whop, you can create a well-rounded educational journey tailored specifically to your interests and aspirations. Whether you're looking to master a new skill or simply expand your horizons, Whop's diverse offerings are there to support your pursuit of knowledge. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to navigating the Whop platform. We hope this helps you on your educational journey. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.